Good morning, students. Welcome back to computer class. Lesson 8 Tux Paint. In today's smart class, I'm going to show you the features of Tux Paint, starting Tux Paint, starting a new drawing, and coloring the drawing. Okay, students? First, let me start the program. Click on Start button. Go to All Programs. Open Tux Paint folder. Here you will notice two options: Tux Paint Full Screen, Tux Paint Windowed. If you select Tux Paint Full Screen, it will be displayed on the desktop without the title bar, whereas Tux Paint Windowed is small in size, placed in the center of the desktop, and the title bar, of course, along with control buttons, will be displayed. Okay, students, now I click on Tux Paint Windowed. Now the program is loading. Now it is displayed on the desktop. You see the title bar of Tux Paint. The control buttons are here, top right corner. Here is a list of tools: paint tool, line tool, text tool, eraser tool, open saved pictures, print the saved pictures, stamp tool, shapes tool, magic tool, new tool, and quit. Quit means close the program. And at the right side, if you see the list and shapes of various tools. See, students, about 50 of them are here. When you select the paint tool, you will get the list of supporting tools in different shapes and types. Suppose I select a line tool, similar types are there. Suppose if I select a text tool, you see the different types are here. And the eraser tool, also a few types are here, different shapes, size, you see that. So we come to paint tool. These are all the up and down arrow to select the required sub tool. And at the lower part of the Tux Paint window is the color box, which contains list of colors here. And this extreme right side is the color mixer. You can select your own choice of color here, and it will be used. And here you see this is a penguin that helps the user to help you while selecting the tool and drawing the object. See, students, pick a color and brush shape to draw with. So now and then it will keep giving you some help. Now if I select line tool, you watch what it would suggest. So click to start a drawing line, let go to complete it. So it is prompting some eraser shapes. So for each tool it has got its suggestions, helps. Okay students, this Tux Paint is a free software. It does not cost anything. All you have to do is go to their website and download the program. It is specially designed for children. It has a penguin. This is a penguin here. This penguin helps you to learn more about it, more about the program. And Tux Paint plays a funny sound when you select or use the tool on the canvas. This white area is called canvas. Canvas is actually a thick white cloth artists, painters use to draw big pictures, beautiful pictures. They place it on a stand and draw. That white thick cloth is called canvas. Same thing is used, the term, same term is used. So this white space here, large area, is a canvas. In the paint program we used to call that area drawing area. Remember, in Tux Paint this white space is called canvas. Okay students, now let us start a new drawing. For a new drawing I need a good background. So click on new. Here are about colored background is there, solid color is here, and if you click on this down arrow button, some graphics are here. You see the sceneries, aeroplane, here is a hen, some natural sceneries are here, rockets, and some graphics are here. You see students, so you can maps, world map is here, so you can make use of it. It's genuinely designed for children to be creative, develop your creativity in drawing and coloring. Okay, now let me take a simple background color. I'll take this let me say yellow color. Now it is selected. You see that green color around it, that means it's selected. Then you click on open button. So you see the students, this is the way a background color is selected. Now we will select an object for coloring. I will select this. What is this? Okay, here is a sea scenery. Here is a large ship. So we will color it nicely. So I select this paint tool. No, let me take the magic tool. The magic tool pick a magical effect to use on your drawing. So I will use the fill tool. Same like fill with color tool, same function. So first I will draw the water, color this area for water, and for these plants here I will use green color. And you listen to the sound as I click. Okay, now let us paint the boat. No, it's a ship, very large. So I will select some suitable color, maybe. Okay, students, so I will select this color for sky. For sky I will select some cool color. That's it. See that, students? So it's very simple. Select the suitable tool and select the appropriate color from the color box, and even you can set your own desired color. See, much more darker and lighter shades available, then accordingly you can apply it here. In this way, coloring is done in Tux Paint. Now I will use eraser tool and listen to the sound. Did you hear that? So it has got all great funny sound which children like it because of its being funny sound, and children simply enjoy such a great program. Here if I use this stamp, next year you will be taught use of this stamp tool. Here you will find quite many animals. See, students, suppose penguin, you can resize it here. So in this way we can make use of this stamp tool. More to come, students. For today only this much. Read and revise the procedure applied to starting Tux Paint program, starting a new drawing and coloring the drawing. Okay, students, thank you. Have